Hey everyone, I did it. I made it another month where I got through and emptied some products. If you enjoy people talking about what they've emptied and hearing some speed reviews, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, let's start off with some of the products that are a little iffy to make it into an empties video, but I honestly didn't have as many as I thought, and that would be a household product. This here is FEBREEZE. It's the scent of Gain, which I thought I would love and enjoy. This spray, no, it tries to smell like Gain, but it honestly smells more like a Lysol cleaner than it does like something that smells good that you want to spray around the room. This was part of a 4-pack I got at Costco and was the scent I enjoyed the least. But I will buy that 4-pack again because it's such a great price. So I will end up with this again, but no, this is going to be designated to the bathroom only. Now this next product smells fantastic. This here is the Gentle Foaming Hand Soap in the scent Kitchen Mandarin. This is from Bath & Body Works. I emptied a similar hand soap from Bath & Body Works earlier this year that was a lemon scent, and I did not like that. And I love citrus scents, but that one honestly smelled like lemon joy. Like it smelled like something you would wash dishes with. This is citrus, but in Mandarin, it smells like a really sweet, soft orange. It is so good, and I would definitely pick up this scent again. This here is a classic that I think pretty much every household has or should have. This is the original Neosporin. It's used for minor cuts, abrasions, etc. Finally hit empty on it. Would definitely repurchase. This here is the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask from Glow Recipe. This smells divine. If you love products that smell like watermelon, so good. Now, as for the texture, it's quite liquidy. There's a little bit left. I don't know if that's going to pick up. It's almost like a serum, even though it's called a sleeping mask. It was interesting. You could get too much product very easily. You just literally dip your finger in, and because it's so liquidy, just put it across your face. Don't know that it did much. It was okay. I'm not a huge fan of Glow Recipe. Love the scent, love their packaging, but the products themselves can often feel a little tacky, particularly their serums. This one wasn't tacky. This one was okay, but I didn't feel like I got extra moisture. I mean, it wasn't bad, but I don't know. Maybe it was just the texture. It was so loose, but I got it in a beauty subscription, and if I got it again, I would definitely use it, but it's nothing I would seek out and spend my own money on. Here we have another moisturizer or face product. This is from Berkey. It's the Vitamin C Intense Face Cream. I got this in, I want to say, an Ipsy. This was nice. Here, I scraped a little out. It is a nice, medium, thick kind of moisturizing cream. I use this as a night cream. It has a soft scent. Don't make me describe it. It's very pleasant. It's a soft floral kind of spa mix. By no means obnoxious, and it's very subtle. I want to say this is a pricier brand, and because I'm cheap, I don't know that I'd go out of my way to purchase it, but I would definitely use it again if I received it in another box. This cream here smells spectacular because it's from Sol de Janeiro. This is the Coco Cabana cream. This smells so good, as do all Sol de Janeiro creams. I want to say it's like coconut mixed with, I don't know, maybe pistachio. It smells really good. I would definitely repurchase this, although it is a little pricey, so I would wait for a sale or ask Santa to add it to my stocking. Alright, this next product is from Glossier, and it's the birthdaybalm.com. And they tout it as a universal skin salve, which I find interesting. It's a lip balm, so I don't know why they don't say lip balm, because it's sweet and smells like cake. So if it didn't have a scent, maybe you would put it elsewhere. I don't know. I only put this on my lips. It has the consistency of Vaseline, but in a tube, and it doesn't have a type of applicator that makes it easy to apply to your lips. And I hate putting goopy stuff on my fingers, touching my mouth, and you gotta find something to wipe your hands off. So I would just go straight in with this. Was it the easiest to apply? No. But did it feel nice? It did. I got this, I want to say, in a FabFitFun. I don't know the price of this. It lasted quite some time. I enjoyed it. And yeah, I think I would pick it up. Or I'd definitely use it if I got it in another beauty box. All right, next product I emptied. This here is from Lash, and it's the Serloom, which is an eyelash serum. This product I've been using for 3+ months. If you've never used a lash serum, they really do work. You just have to be consistent. And I don't know if you can tell, my eyelashes are very long because I constantly use a lash serum. This I also got in some kind of beauty box, possibly FabFitFun. This brand is pricey. I've picked up other brands from Amazon that are a lot more affordable, and they all work the same. So because of the price, I don't think I'd pick this up, but the product itself is fantastic. If I got it in a box, I definitely would use it again. All right, this here is what I thought was a micellar water, but it says Kind Cleansing Water, and it's from a brand called Anthony. I would shake it up as if it were micellar water, put it on a cotton pad, and use it to take off my makeup. This was not my favorite. It left my skin a little tacky and felt a little dry. But when I was done, I would go in with my toner and my serums, and everything worked itself out. I don't even remember where I got this. I want to say Yes Style or as an add-on from Ipsy. I don't know. If I got it in a box, I would use it. I mean, it wasn't horrible. I would not seek it out on my own to repurchase. All right, I have gone through another package of cotton rounds. I use cotton rounds for numerous products and go through them quite frequently. All right, this, I don't even know where I got this from. I want to say from Amazon. I did save one of the pads so you can take a look. These are very thin and they're very fluffy. So you got to be careful. When you add your liquid, they can kind of tear apart. They get very, I don't even call it, because they're so fluffy, they can pull apart. Are they the best? No. If I had some fall in my lap, I would use them. I don't think I would repurchase these because I have some cotton squares that are nicer than these. But I wouldn't turn my back on just about any kind of cotton pad. I just wouldn't go out of my way to repurchase these. All right, and then the last makeup item, we have a mascara. This is the Telescopic Lift from L'Oreal in the waterproof version. Yes, this is the mascara that went viral. And sadly, it went viral for the wrong reason. It should have gone viral because it's a fantastic mascara. I'm not the biggest fan of the interesting brush. It's like flat with a comb on both sides. I know a lot of people don't mind that or they actually like it. I'm just so used to old school bristle brushes. I make it work. My eyelashes always look fantastic. No, I'm not wearing it today. But if you've seen any of my videos in the past 2 months, this is the mascara I've been wearing. And yes, I would buy it again. In fact, I just got one the other day. All right, and now for the last item, drum roll. If you've been following me for a while, thank you. You will find this fascinating. I have a hair care product. This here is a purple shampoo. It's from BEACHWAVER, and it's the BRB Blonde Purple Shampoo. Ever since I dyed my hair, I've been instructed by my twin Heather and my longtime subscriber Amber that I needed to use a purple shampoo, and I have been doing it. I don't know if it's done anything or helped, but hey, I emptied an entire shampoo bottle. I would definitely pick this up again. It was nice. It smelled good. It lathered up nicely. But I won't need it too soon because I already have a purple shampoo and conditioner ready to go in my shower. All right, that was everything I emptied in the month of July. It wasn't a lot, but I'm trying. Each and every month gets harder and harder, but I'm really trying to focus on products I can empty and hit pan on. Let me know if you've used or tried any of the products I shared, and if so, what your thoughts are. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. If you could do me a big favor, if you could click the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.